Why you should make your bed. Taking the time to make your bed every morning is a great daily habit. Interestingly, according to folk wisdom, women are more interested in doing this than men. In fact, in Eastern civilization, this is in fact considered a sign of a woman's strength. In the West, where gender matters differ, this is merely seen as a good deed with no similar considerations. But what exactly is the logic behind this good deed? And what benefits can you gain from doing it? Watch this video to find out why, even though it's so easy to roll out of bed and leave a crumbled pile of sheets in your wake, the truth is that when you dedicate an extra minute or two to smooth your covers and adjust your pillows, the reward is far greater than the effort required. Be sure to stay tuned and watch this video until the end, as it will introduce you to the essence behind this habit that you can apply to your morning routine. Let's dive into the reasons why you should make your bed every day. Number 1. It helps keep things clean. Making your bed won't prevent dust altogether, but by covering your sheets and mattress with a comforter, quilt, or duvet, you minimize the surface area on which dust can collect. This also can help keep pet messes to a minimum, as pets will only have the immediate access to your bed's topmost layer, though we make no promises about particularly rambunctious fur balls. Number 2. You'll start your day on the right foot. Wouldn't it be great to cross something off your to-do list as soon as you wake up? Quickly making your bed helps you face the day with a sense of accomplishment even before you brush your teeth. Number 3, it can help you adopt better everyday habits. This is a particularly intriguing reason, so listen up. Tidying your bed linens each morning can become a keystone habit that causes a domino effect and triggers other smart choices and positive practices throughout the day. As writer Charles Duping explains in his best-selling book, The Power of Habit, making your bed every morning is correlated with better productivity, a greater sense of well-being, and stronger skills at sticking with a budget. It's not that a family meal or a tidy bed causes better grades or less frivolous spending, but somehow those initial shifts start chain reactions that help other good habits take hold. 4. Linens and pillows will better keep their shape. Carolyn Forte, director of the cleaning lab at the Good Housekeeping Research Institute, recommends making your bed because it helps minimize wrinkles in your sheets and keep pillows fluffed. Treating your bed linens with kindness will help them look clean and new for an extended period of time. Number 5. You might sleep better. A National Sleep Foundation poll found that survey participants who reported regularly making their beds were also more likely to say that they get a good night's sleep on most nights. This underscores NSF findings that bedroom environment, including cleanliness and perhaps that cool, crisp feeling of a made bed, influences how well you snooze. Number 6. It instantly polishes your room. You bought that frilly comforter cover with embroidered throw pillow for a reason, right? Get them off the floor and enjoy them. I hope this video has added value to your daily life experience, so be sure to share it with your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to receive timely updates. Thanks for watching.